Brazing is one of the most important skills in HVAC and refrigeration work. It is used to join copper pipes safely and strongly, so refrigerant can move through the system without leakage. Every HVAC technician should learn proper brazing techniques, because poor pipe joints can cause refrigerant leaks, low cooling performance, and compressor damage. In this video, we will learn safe and simple brazing techniques for beginners, step by step, in easy English. What is brazing in HVAC? Brazing is the process of joining copper pipes using high heat and filler metal. In HVAC systems, brazing creates strong, leak-free connections between refrigerant pipes. Unlike soldering, brazing uses much higher temperatures and produces stronger joints that can handle refrigerant pressure safely. HVAC technicians commonly use brazing during AC installation, compressor replacement, evaporator coil repair, and refrigerant line connections. Important tools required for brazing. Before starting brazing work, it is important to prepare the correct tools and safety equipment. Common brazing tools include oxygen and acetylene or MAP gas torch, copper pipes and fittings, brazing rods, pipe cutter, sandpaper or wire brush, safety gloves, safety goggles, fire extinguisher. Using proper safety equipment is very important because brazing involves high temperatures and open flames. Safety precautions before brazing. Safety should always come first during brazing work. Always wear safety glasses and heat-resistant gloves to protect your eyes and hands. Make sure the work area is properly ventilated and free from flammable materials. Never braze near gas cylinders, fuel, or chemicals. Before heating pipes, check that the refrigeration system is empty and pressure-free. Refrigerant should never remain inside pipes during brazing because heat can create dangerous pressure. Many professional technicians also use nitrogen while brazing to reduce oxidation inside the copper pipes. Preparing the copper pipes. Good preparation is very important for strong braze joints. First, cut the copper pipe properly using a pipe cutter. The pipe edge should be smooth and clean. After cutting, clean both the pipe and fitting using sandpaper or a wire brush. Dirt, oil, and oxidation can weaken the brazed connection and cause leaks later. Once cleaned, insert the copper pipe fully into the fitting before heating. Heating the pipe correctly. When brazing begins, the torch flame should heat the joint evenly from all sides. Beginners often make the mistake of heating only one spot, which creates weak joints. The copper pipe should become hot enough to melt the brazing rod naturally. Never melt the rod directly with the flame, because this creates poor quality joints. Move the torch slowly around the fitting to distribute heat evenly across the connection. Applying the brazing rod. Once the pipe reaches proper temperature, gently touch the brazing rod to the joint area. The heat from the copper should melt the rod smoothly into the connection. The filler metal will flow around the pipe and fitting through capillary action, creating a strong sealed joint. Do not use too much filler metal because excessive material can reduce joint quality. Cooling the joint properly. After brazing is complete, allow the joint to cool naturally. Never cool hot copper pipes quickly with water, because sudden temperature changes may weaken the connection. Once cooled, inspect the joint carefully for cracks, gaps, or incomplete sealing. A properly brazed joint should look smooth, clean, and evenly filled. Common brazing mistakes beginners should avoid. Many beginners overheat the copper pipe, which can damage the fitting or weaken the joint. Some beginners also forget to clean the pipe before brazing, causing refrigerant leaks later. Using incorrect torch flame settings can also create problems. A balanced flame helps produce strong and clean joints. Another common mistake is brazing without nitrogen flow, which can create carbon buildup inside refrigerant pipes and affect compressor performance. Leak testing after brazing. After completing all pipe joints, technicians usually perform pressure testing using nitrogen to check for leaks. Soap water solution or electronic leak detectors may also be used to confirm that the joints are leak-free before vacuuming and refrigerant charging. Leak testing is very important because even small refrigerant leaks can reduce AC performance and damage the system over time. Conclusion: brazing is an essential HVAC skill that every beginner technician should learn carefully. Strong and safe pipe joints improve system performance, reduce refrigerant leaks, and increase equipment life. With proper tools, safety precautions, and regular practice, beginners can improve their brazing skills step by step and become more confident HVAC technicians. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC educational videos and beginner-friendly training guides.